welcome back to this episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be discussing a part 2 to my previous video, which was how to get free products for your YouTube channel to review. So let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Okay, so before the video guys starts, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, and leave a like on this video, and let's get into it.
Guys, for this tutorial I'm going to be using a website called Tomoson. I think that's how you say it. So just type that into Google, head over to Tomoson. This website is for influencers and marketers who are looking to, let me just move that down, looking to share their products with people on social media in order to grow their brand. And this can also be very beneficial to YouTubers like me who want to be reviewing products on their channel to grow their channel. This can be very beneficial for a tech channel like myself, or if you want to just get free stuff, which a lot of people do. So head over to Tomoson, sign up, takes like 2 seconds, just link it to your YouTube account and any other social media associated with your YouTube account, and yeah, I'm going to be just doing a brief rundown of how this works. So the way this works is basically you'll have, oh, I got an offer, transcendent blah 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 free. Look at that, I already have a offer and I literally just signed up today. That's pretty cool. So the way this works is you link it to your YouTube. It will give you like a basic score of your YouTube. Where is that on your dashboard? For engagement, all this stuff. It'll see what you're qualified for, what you're not qualified for. And you can head over to campaigns, and here there's basically 3 types of categories. You can have freebies, deals, and paid. Paid is when they pay you to do it. Deals are just when it takes like a massive percentage off the cost. So it could be something that's $20 and they give it to you for $1 to review. And then freebies are obviously just things that are free. And you can also have easy approvals, which is usually just companies easily allow you to review their products, and it's not very difficult to be accepted. So say you want to review, I don't know, tech stuff. You can go over to the filter option and you can do social deal, product, blah, 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 all the stuff, unboxing, campaign type. I usually like to do paid, and then if I could bring it up, freebie, and then category, go down to electronics. I don't usually touch budget, doesn't matter. And then what this is usually useful is hide campaigns with, and I don't have a blog post, I don't have an honest star review, I don't have a Facebook account, I don't have an Instagram account, I don't have Pinterest. So this is going to limit it to Twitter and YouTube, and as you can see on this stuff, it tells you what these companies require you to post this on: YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and blog posts. Now, not all these are going to be completely different. Not all of them are going to require you to have all this stuff. Some will just be Facebook, some will just be Twitter, some will just be YouTube. It all depends on the company. There are like literally tons of things you can apply for here. So say you want to get this, I don't know, US gift giant, I don't know what this is. So you want this. He'll basically tell you right here what you need to do, stuff you're willing to post on, how many days you need to complete it, it doesn't matter. And then you can basically charge them, be like, well, not in this case, but because this is a freebie, but in other cases you can say, I want $10 for posting this on YouTube, I want $1 posting this on my Twitter, I want honest star review, give me $0, doesn't matter. Then you accept, and you can do a custom pitch. I usually like to do this. I use my brand deal thing that I use, and that I used to send companies for products, post that right in there. And I don't know if that can give you a leg up. I don't know yet. I haven't got accepted for anything, but yeah, this can help you get some free stuff on your channel, depending what your channel's about. You can literally get stuff, any category of stuff, to be honest. You can get anything on this website. This is 100% free. There is no upfront cost. There is no requirement for this. It all depends on the brands that want to partner with you. I'm guessing if you have a larger following, they will want to partner with you and maybe sponsor your video and actually pay you to review it instead of getting it for free or having to pay for the product. So yeah, that's just a quick rundown of how this works. You can have a favorites folder, save your favorite brands or stuff like that. Tells you all your information here. All the stuff you signed up for. I said I don't want these because I don't have any of these accounts and stuff. Yeah, very easy to use, absolutely free, no linking of a credit card, no PayPal, no nothing. And yeah, you can get paid for free. That's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.